2016 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Custom. This is now sporting a complete new custom build, Screamin Eagle 120R. It is sporting 150 horsepower thanks to a Dark Horse crank, zipper performance kit, cylinder heads aboard, 10 over, new cams, fish rods, lifters, Thunder Max ECM with auto tuner pro heads that are now water cooled. This is fully loaded. The original trike had 15,000 miles on it. Now with the new build, there's only 1,000 miles on the engine. When I say fully loaded, there isn't anything that was offered that is not on this trike. Full instrumentation from the fairing mounted electric pedometer, odometer, time of day clock on CD player and stereo, dual trip meter, low fuel indicator light, mileage countdown feature, which is very cool for those road trips, low oil pressure indicator light, engine diagnostic, LED indicator, 6-speed indicator light, cruise control for those long trips, and tachometer, fuel, oil pressure, ambient air temperature, and more. You have plenty of storage on this. You have both the top and there is a trunk space underneath. It also comes with its own Harley-Davidson cover. This is beautiful paint. Take a good look at this paint. This is a two-tone paint. The seats are perfect. Everything on this bike, it is ready to go. Have any questions? Please contact us.